Hello and welcome to Cruise TV. Join Dan and I for the next hour as we bring you...
Sam, this is a Meet the Team video.
Oh yeah.
Take two.
You watch Dan and I on Cruise TV, but you may be wondering who's behind the holiday magic.
So come with us as we introduce you to the team at LoveitBookit. Welcome to LoveitBookit. We're proud to be one of the UK's leading independent cruise specialists. Since our founding in 2013, we've been dedicated to crafting bespoke cruise holiday packages that tick all your boxes, whilst delivering top-notch customer service every step of the way. Here at LoveitBookit, it all starts with inspiration. While our customers watch Cruise TV dreaming of turquoise waters, sun-kissed decks and bucket list destinations, our product and marketing team have been busy behind the scenes pairing hand-picked sailings with hotel stays, tours and more, and making them come to life on your screens through social media, television and email campaigns.
At LoveitBookit, we partner with all the top cruise lines because we believe giving our clients the variety is the key to finding the perfect cruise. For us at LoveitBookit, everything centres around destination. We want to provide the very best experience to our guests. So when our product team looks at those cruise line itineraries, we really scour every single port of call to make sure we're providing the absolute best experience for our guests. And then what we do is we start looking at hotel stays, flights, transfers, and tour experiences. We've built incredible relationships around the globe to really facilitate these once-in-a-lifetime experiences, from Machu Picchu to Iguazu Falls, our Icons of Australia tour, and so much more. It really is fundamentally at the heart of what we do.
I would say that our marketing stands out because we have the unique opportunity to showcase our product on TV. We work behind the scenes to really create the story for our customers, where they'll get on, where that hotel stay will be, and what they can really get up to in each port of call, which I think not many people get to, really dive into the itinerary like we do. We also have quite a lot of fun with our marketing. I think that one of the most recent projects that we're really proud of is partnering with the Singapore Tourism Board to film a documentary showcasing exactly what you can get up to in 4 days. We want you to trust us. We've physically been there, we've experienced these things.
It always comes back to destination being at the core of every single thing that we do. And yeah, like Lucy said, we have fun, but we want that fun to transcend to our customer. We want our customer to go and spend that time, go and experience that food, those tourist attractions in those destinations.
So after you've watched Cruise TV or browsed the website and fallen in love with one of our bespoke cruise holidays, it's time to book it. Our sales team are the ones who turn your dream into reality. They're the friendly voices you call when you're ready to set sail.
Hi, I'm Andy, the sales manager here at LoveitBookit. My day today is I'm here to make sure that my team are here to answer your phone calls, to make sure that they have the knowledge, expertise and resources available to them to be able to look after you when you call through to book your dream holiday with us. So we work very closely with the other teams here at LoveitBookit from operations and product to make sure that our team have the knowledge, expertise and skills to be able to answer any questions that you may have when you ring through to speak to us. When you've seen Cruise TV and you're ready to make your dream cruise come true, we are your personal cruise experts. When you love it, you book it with us.
I think it's the experience we have. As a team, I think we counted up the other night and it's over 100 years.
I personally have done this for 15 years. How long you?
Nearly 20.
So loads of experience. I personally love to cruise.
Plus, I think we've all been in the industry so long, we know what we're doing, we're all well travelled and we can make sure that we're giving you that top level of service.
Speaking about something that you're really passionate about is just easy.
Naturally.
Yeah, it is. Like, it's enjoyable to talk to customers, and when you get excited, the customer, we get excited with you. It's just
creating that rapport and creating that experience from the start.
Between us, I believe in the sales team, we've pretty much covered every product that we sell. So if I personally haven't been on it, I've got someone next to me that will obviously be able to give me the information that I'm looking for. So that kind of reinforces the reason why you need to book with us.
Obviously our offers are as a guide for our customers, but we can tailor make it to suit their needs.
We normally give a few nights in each place, but I have plenty of customers that say, there's so much I want to do there. Great, let's add a few more nights on before, afterwards, change the flights, whatever it is that makes the package your perfect holiday. Ours are an idea and a great place to start, but then we can finesse and make it perfect.
You want to add a business class flight on, great, we can help all that. Any extras, upgrading your rooms, everything like that, that's what we're here for.
And with it as well, like if you look at certain cruise ships, even for the same amount of money, you can sometimes, if you choose the right location, you can double your balcony size. You can get like a sunset view balcony for the same price and stuff. So it is really worth sort of drilling down with people as to exactly what they want on a cruise so that we obviously fulfill their expectations.
And that's what we're here for, to tell you where those bigger balconies are, to tell you the little hints and tricks to get more for your money.
No question is a silly question, so don't be worried about asking us because we are here to help you and guide you along. Just enjoy it.
Once you're ready to go, our travel coordination team swings into action. Think flights, hotels, tours, transfers. They find the best options, so everything is seamless.
So my role here at LoveitBookit is being behind the scenes. I'm the person that pays the attention to detail. I've already selected you the best hotel. We've gone out to find the best tour guides, the best local suppliers with great knowledge of the areas, so you don't need to think about anything. We've done that for you before you've even picked up the phone to book.
There's nothing that isn't too good for you. We will get you the best flights and the best hotels using our years of experience to help you out and have the best possible time. If further down the line you want some extra legroom on them flights, we can look into that for you. We can look at hotel requests and we can do everything that we can to make you comfortable from the moment you leave your house to the moment you get back into it.
We take the hassle out of everything. We think about what time you're going to fly home, the fact that you've got to be off the ship early. We will always look at all possible friction points throughout your holiday before we even put that out. We are here 24/7 for you. We're in the UK and our overseas team will be there to make sure should you have any issues in resort, we are always available here at LoveitBookit the minute you pick the phone up.
We also always looking to improve the experience. Sometimes if a flight is delayed quite significantly, we're always looking at what we can do on the day. We include tours and other visits that we can do in the event of those last minute issues that you don't want. For example, recently we've had a tour that we've had to lay on in Mumbai because the flights were delayed until much later in the evening. We didn't get any emails from customers to let us know that they needed anything, but we spotted that first. So we laid on an amazing tour and the customer feedback was absolutely incredible. Almost everybody emailed us to tell us how grateful they were and what a wonderful time they had.
With 4 days notice.
With 4 days notice.
And of course, there's customer service, making sure any questions, special requests and extras are handled before, during and after your trip.
Hi, I'm Jess. I'm the head of post-booking services here at LoveitBookit. It's my job to make sure that you're looked after from the second you make your holiday booking right up until when you return home. Within our department, we can answer any questions you may have, from visas, shore excursions or special requests about your holiday. It's our job to solve problems before you even know about them, making booking with us simple and stress-free.
We'll do anything from payments to helping you with your bookings, helping you with excursions, offering you information and just making you excited for the dream holiday that you're going to be going on.
Customer service and sales come hand in hand with my role. When you make your booking on the website, I will contact you and run through all the holiday information with you, check you've got any questions regarding anything that you've booked. If you want to make any amendments, I can look at assisting you with that. And then I'll get your booking details sent through to you and then I'm there after that if you need any help in the future.
Recently in our department we had a very special one. We helped a customer organise their wedding on board one of the ships that they were going on. So we helped them from A to B, assisted them with everything, and we got pictures back from the day, they got a nice thank you card, and we were all involved, and it was just so beautiful and spectacular just to watch a customer's journey through that.
We also have our finance team, keeping everything safe and secure when it's time to pay.
And our technology department keeps our website and booking systems running smooth, making sure your holiday planning is stress-free.
Oh, and we can't forget our most important team member, Teddy, the official Chief Happiness Officer.
That's an insight to us and the faces here at LoveitBookit.
So next time you tune into Cruise TV, you'll know exactly who and what goes into making your perfect cruise holiday. Thanks for watching.
That's a wrap! Woo!